So in today's video, I'll be teaching you something very interesting, how you can get more views on YouTube using a very simple trick. And the trick is you'll be using AI, artificial intelligence, for free, easily, without any stress. For a lot of people that are struggling to get views on YouTube, now there's something that could be the problem. It could be that your thumbnail is not good enough to allow people click through your video, because when people see a thumbnail that is not fine, they might not be interested in watching the video. But if the thumbnail is very catchy, then that one alone might want to make people click through the video. After the thumbnail, the next thing that people want to look at is the title of the video. Look at this particular title. It says even retired and beautiful David Beckham destroyed in this friendly match against Ronaldinho. Like, this kind of title want to make me watch this video. Look at this: 10x your design portfolio in 7.14 seconds, right? That alone can make me want to watch this particular video. So the thing is, a lot of people are good at creating titles, while some are not really good at creating titles, and because of that, their title is very flat, they do not get a lot of views. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use artificial intelligence to create catchy title for your YouTube videos that will get you more views. This step is very simple, it's totally free. Just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. You like this video, you leave a comment if you find it very helpful, so that I can be inspired to teach you guys more tricks to grow your YouTube channel. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to www.google.com. when you come to google.com, search for this simplified AI, simplified artificial intelligence. Now, simplified AI is a platform that gives you a lot of artificial intelligence tools that can help you do a lot of tasks online just a click away. It saves you from the stress of trying to think a lot of things. It helps you generate text, create high quality content for your articles, your blogs, your YouTube, your website, and various social media platforms. But for the sake of this video, we'll be focusing on using it to create titles on our YouTube channel, catchy titles. Now, you're going to click on this first link, free AI writer text generator. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to the simplified website. Now, if you are a new person, you don't have an account, this is the first time you are coming to this platform, the first thing you need to do for me is you need to sign up. You need to sign up here. When you click on the sign up button, you're going to see you can sign up through Google, you can sign up through Facebook, and you can sign up manually by putting your email address and your password, right? So that is a very simple way to sign up. You can sign up with your Google, you can sign up with your Facebook, or with your email address and your password. If your Google doesn't work, you can try any of those one, but for ease, just sign up with your email address and password. When you've signed up on this platform, then you have access to the dashboard. I already have an account. I'm going to click on login, right? So I have to put my email address and my password. It is there already. I'm going to click on let's go. So it is going to log me in. Then I'll show you step by step how you can achieve this without any stress. Please make sure you follow me in this video. Do not miss any moment, because there are some things you need to click so that you would be able to locate where I'm taking you to as a first timer. For example, you can see that I've created YouTube titles from here, and it's something that I want to teach you guys now. Now, when you open here, you're going to see your dashboard. Now, this platform, you can use it totally free. I'm also going to teach you a way you can get extra stuff, extra benefits on the platform. Now, you click on artificial intelligence templates. Yeah, you click here, AI templates. When you click on that and it loads, it's going to show you various AI templates and tools that you can use. You can see e-commerce, product brand ads, website copy, blogging, sales marketing, artificial intelligence designer, social media, email, and video. Because you are trying to create something for a video, a YouTube platform, I'm going to click on video. So when you click on video and the video loads, you will see various options that will pop out. You see TikTok reel. This can help you write script for your TikTok. It can help you write script for YouTube short. It can help you write your video description on YouTube. It can help you with your YouTube intro, the outline, your video tags. But what we'll be focusing on is YouTube video titles. That is the aim of today's video. So I'm going to click on YouTube video titles. When you click on YouTube video titles, now you're going to see the language and what the video is about. So I'm going to click on English language. You need to select English language if you speak English, and if you speak any other language, you select your language. Then you're going to write what your video is about. So the video I want to create a title for, let it even be the official title of this video, how to create a YouTube video title, right? Title. I can even add with AI, or let me just remove the AI part. Let me just create how to create a YouTube video title. That's the title of this video, so that it can generate various suggestions for me. So there's an advanced option that one can allow you to create a lot of titles. You can select whether you want 6, 5 or whatever, but for the normal one you get 3, and if you want more you can click on generate more. I'm going to allow this load, and I'm going to show you guys the options it will give me. For example, look at this. It said how to create a title for your YouTube videos that would pull in views, how to make a viral YouTube video title, 10 tips for success, how to create a YouTube video title that will bring you more views. Right now, I like this. Let me generate more. Let me get more ideas. So you can see now we have now how to create an engaging and clickable YouTube video titles. I love this. I love this. How to create the perfect YouTube video title with 10 tips. How to your guide to creating perfect click-worthy YouTube video titles. Let me use this one. How to create an engaging and clickable YouTube video title using artificial intelligence to generate more views. Boom. You see, now I wouldn't have thought of this normally if I was just making this video on my own, but based on this artificial intelligence tool, now I have a very interesting title. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just come here to copy this. I'm going to copy this, right? I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to use this for the title of this video, but then I'm going to show you guys something, right? I want to show you that this tool is totally free and how you can get more tools, right? For example, you can see that they said I've used 94% of my AI credit for the month. Basically it is free, however there is a cap that you can use 3,000 words in a month. So I will show you how you can get 10,000 words in a month using a very simple trick, and just stay with me in this video. And all you need to do is to come to this place, you click on your profile image here, you come to manage your account. Now when you come to manage your account, you're going to see billing. You're going to click on billing. Billing is going to show you your plan. So you can see that my current plan is loading. My current plan is free forever, right? Free forever. And then I have used 200 words out of 3,000 words, and I still have a lot of words to use till the end of the month. Every month will continue to renew it. I can use this to use text to create image. From here I can use background remover. I have some free stuff to use, right? And it's going to reset in February 17. Now if you want to get more points, points so that you can do more tasks, you can just click on earn and reward. In this place, when you click on the earn and reward, you can see that they said if you write an honest review of Simplified on G2 Crowd, they are going to give you 10,000 AI writing credit, right? All I need to do is to just write an honest review, and I'm going to get 10,000 AI writing credit. I'm going to do this, and if you join their community on Facebook, you're going to get 10 credit for background removal. So with this, you have enough time to create a lot of stuff using this particular tool. So guys, this is just one trick out of so many tricks that I can teach you to help you get more views, rank your YouTube videos, do SEO and stuff like that. All you need to do is for you to just leave a comment to say show me more tricks, like make sense video, give me more tricks and stuff like that. Just leave a comment to tell me you're interested in getting more tricks. I'm going to go on to make more tricks like that. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you would see it, you would not miss out. And yes, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you like my video so that the algorithm can push it and suggest my video to more people. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting content. Alpha Wolf signing out.